So today I'm going to show you guys how to make the potato and pea curry that you guys saw in my How I Eat in a Day video. Last week you guys have been requesting this one like crazy. It's super quick and easy to put together, and this makes an excellent weight loss friendly dish as well. And it is cold and snowy out here on the homestead today, so this is going to be perfect. So first I'm going to saute one medium onion in a hot pan with no oil, and then I'm going to get all of the spices I need. I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of curry powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of garam masala to the onions, and then I'm going to add a little splash of water to help the seasonings cook down with the onions. Then I'm going to use some of this minced garlic. If you mince your own garlic, you are my hero. I want to be like you when I grow up. So then I'm going to add 6 cups of diced potatoes, 4 cups of almond milk. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of water, and I'm going to bring that to a simmer and let the potatoes cook for about 15 minutes. Then I'm going to salt it to taste. I like about a teaspoon and a half. You do you. Then some peas. I only had a cup, but a cup and a half is great. Then I like to take some stevia. You can sweeten it with whatever you want, but the key to a good curry is to make sure to sweeten it enough. Then I add a little squeeze of lime, some fresh cilantro, give that a mix. Look how gorgeous she looks, and it's ready to eat. It is so creamy and delicious and filling. Guys, this is really so quick and easy to put together. I hope you enjoy it.